In a world where you have to hide from this strawberry person hiding behind a lamp. I'm playing on my phone. This is a phone.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts! Think fast, Chuckle Nuts! Think fast, Chuckle Nuts! Think fast, Chuckle! Think fast, Chuckle! Think fast, Chuckle! Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!
Out behind. Oh my god! He just spurted out. Get away from me, creature! No! No. I'm never entering you. No! No, you're not! Goodbye! The door in the lamp trapped you. No! Goodbye! Yes! You will never find me. Oh no! No, no! Yeah! Oh, get juked! Get juked! Get juked! Goodbye. Yeah, I'm recording. Is that a that's not a prototype. That's a prototype. What are you doing, Santa? Proceeds to shoot Santa. I'm just laying down. Oh god. Stop watching me while I sleep! It bounced right back at me. Why did it do that? I threw a flash. I threw a flashbang. It bounced right back at me.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts! Think fast, Chuckle! Think fast, think fast, Chuckle! Think fast, Chuckle! Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!
What do you mean Roblox is in here? A what? Yeah. Why am I showing just singular notes? I'm just hearing one note. Raymond Tacos, Creator Marketplace. Yes. Control C, Control V.
It's raining tacos.
Oh,
Fall out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Out in the street. Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells. Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream.
Cheese, shell, meat,
it's so out of beat.
cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining
Yeah. Chicken Nugget Dreamland. How do you feel about
Think
that?
fast, Chuckle Nuts.
It sounds like someone broke down the door or something. Everything's so low quality on your side. Brick Mart. Are you there? Alright. Alright. I'm just gonna friend the most random person. Purple Soggy Miles. Dude. What the heck is the name Purple Soggy Miles? I'm getting a bond. We're gonna view it in details now. Yay! Down on. Down on. I feel like a freaking NPC whenever I click things with like perfect precision. Ow! Let me just wash myself. Oops! I've turned my torso into soap. You tried ordering a pizza and I just shot you in the back of your back. Okay, you're eating your torso. You tried ordering. What happened to my arms? Why are my arms just like super? Hello, this is the gun service. I'm not even. Oh, gun service. I just bought a gun.
Hi, this is John Stowe. Would you like to order a pizza? What size pizza would you like? We have large or small? One small pizza? Okay. And where do you want us to deliver to? That'll be all. We'll be delivering your order shortly.
8. Purchase. Wait. There you go. I placed it on your strawberry. One strawberry. I'm taking a pizza and I'm eating it. No, you're not. You're not taking all of it. Yummy, yummy pizza! I ripped off my arm for this. Yeah, you are. You're stabbing it right in your eye. A magical place for those who love chicken nuggets. No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's a magical town where everything is waffles. A delectable quiz of never-ending yumminess. Oh, the houses are waffles and the cars are waffles and the streets and the trees and trampolines are waffles and the schools are waffles and the dentist chairs are waffles and the stop signs
are made of butter.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's an incredible city where all you eat are waffles. So if you're into waffles,
I'm eating your face.
it's the place you wanna be. Oh, the bridges are waffles and the skyscrapers are waffles and the malls, dining halls and bathroom stalls are waffles and the libraries are waffles filled with books that are waffles and the fire trucks
Are made of butter.
burgers are waffles and the french fries are waffles and the tacos and the nachos and falafels are waffles and the root beer is waffles, toaster straddles are waffles and the French toast.
Are made of pancakes.
We love waffles
Yeah.
and you love waffles, little kids
Oh, wait,
and parents and babies love waffles and dogs love waffles and horses love waffles and kitty cats.
Whoa, cats don't like waffles. Oh, yeah.
Not there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
This is the noise I listen to whenever I trap kids. Why did you look like dummy for a second? Hold up. I want the curtains! Where's our bonsai tree? There it is. Yay! What you doing, Santa?